little charred.
I managed to sneak in a quick overnight trip to the Oregon coast before the rain moved in, and it was a perfect chance to try out my new tent. Okay, let's take a quick look. It's a pretty nice sized tent. It's time to get this camp set up before it gets dark. If you're new here, I'm Tori, and I'm chasing my wild here in the Pacific Northwest. Okay, this is my new tent. Every single window zips up, which is really cool. And the fly is fairly small, so I'm hoping that it'll keep me a lot warmer. So the front door has a screen, and it is the only thing that zips up completely. And the front door zips up on the sides only. The sunset is absolutely beautiful. I got here at just the right time. The sun's going down, so let's head back to camp to get a fire started. I don't know if you can see this, but I've got a new fire poker. Pretty cool. since I'm only here for one night, I'm keeping it super simple. And so tonight is beef stroganoff. That's what it looks like before we put water in it. I've had this one before and it's pretty good. Okay, let's give this a taste. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. That has got the best flavor. This is almost better than my own homemade stroganoff. Almost. Because, you know, you have to like your homemade stuff better than store-bought. Okay, we're gonna make s'mores, but I'm gonna make them with these cookies. Just do one for now. See how that works. Might put this over the fire in just a second. My cookie melted on the grill. It is really cold out here. Two. It's a little charred. I didn't bring my plates, so. Okay, here's my version of s'mores. I was gonna put a cookie on top, but it might be too big to eat, so we'll see how this goes. That's pretty good. Okay, you guys, there was supposed to be a rainstorm coming in at 9 o'clock, so I just packed up so I can get out of here without getting all wet. So I'm going to end the video here. If you like camping videos, or if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you again soon. Until then, go chase your own wild.